So hello friends, welcome back to this new video. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how to draw anime, and already I was uploaded a drawing video of anime, and that was this. And if you want to draw this, please click the I button. I've already given the link of that video. And so in this video I'm going to give the tutorial of this drawing, so please watch this full video. So I'm going to start.
Myself, it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me, yeah. Cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. Cause honestly, let's hold our breath, this is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight. Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me, yeah. Cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. Cause honestly, let's hold our breath, this is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight.